In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shadowverse Worlds Beyond Deck Boost Bundle for free. First, it's important to be clear and honest right from the start. There is no legitimate way to get the Shadowverse Worlds Beyond Deck Boost Bundle for free. This bundle is a paid DLC, and it normally includes crystals, legendary card pack tickets, and vials. It is designed to be purchased, usually once per account, so if you see anyone claiming there's a secret free method, that's a major red flag. That said, if your real goal is to build up your account and collect more resources without spending money, there are still several safe and legitimate ways to do that inside the game. A great place to begin is by completing the beginner missions and tutorials. These are often the easiest rewards available, especially for new players, and they're designed to help you learn the game while also giving you useful items along the way. If you're just starting out, don't skip them, because they can give you a strong early boost. You should also link your Cygames ID if that option is available in your version of the game. Doing this can reward you with free card pack tickets, and it also helps with account security and recovery. So it's a smart move for both rewards and long-term account protection. Another good habit is to participate in login campaigns and special events. Games like Shadowverse often run limited time promotions that hand out free rewards just for showing up and playing during certain periods. These can include tickets, currency, or other useful bonuses, so checking in regularly can really add up over time. Next, make sure you're completing daily missions and working through Battle Pass rewards. Daily missions are one of the most consistent ways to earn resources for free, and even small rewards become valuable when you collect them every day. The Battle Pass can also provide steady progress-based rewards, so staying active is worth it. If the game has an invite or referral program available, use that too. These programs can sometimes give you extra items or bonuses simply for participating the intended way. Just make sure you're using official in-game features and not third-party offers. Finally, be very cautious of YouTube videos, websites, or so-called generators that claim that they can unlock the Deck Boost bundle for free. These are often scams, phishing attempts, or methods that could put your account at risk and may violate the game's terms of service. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, while you can't get the Deck Boost bundle for free legitimately, you can still grow your collection safely by using the free reward systems the game already provides.